offering a simplistic design. This bed features 3 spacious drawers with 2 wooden knobs per drawer, versatile in every way. This design will fit seamlessly in your existing interior theme and will live through any renovations and updates to come, with rounded edges for added safety. This bed is the perfect solution for all ages, featuring plenty of storage for clothes, bedding, or seasonal items. This mate's bed has 3 convenient drawers with smooth opening metal slides. All 3 drawers are on the same side of the bed frame, which is reversible, allowing the drawers to be accessed from either side. The bed is an economic choice as it does not require a box spring. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Useful storage. The reversible bed features 3 drawers down one side, ideal for storing and organizing bedding, clothes, or seasonal items in the unused space under the bed. Number 2. Clean, modern style. This simplistic bed design will blend with any existing furniture or decor with its clean lines and versatile look. Number 3. Sturdy design. This bed frame is a value-conscious choice as it does not require a box spring or foundation. Just place your mattress on top and enjoy. Number 4. Eco-friendly. Made in North America with non-toxic laminated particle board. The bed meets or exceeds all North American safety standards. Number 5. 5-year limited warranty. Shop with confidence knowing that we proudly stand behind this bed with drawers with a full 5-year limited warranty. Assembly is required, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How deep are the drawers? Answer. The dimension of the drawers are 22.05 inches wide by 17.075 inches deep by 4.025 inches high. Question number 2. Could it be painted? Answer. This bed is made of laminated manufactured wood. Regretfully, if you paint it, it may easily scratch and not look so attractive. Question number 3. Is there a weight limit on this frame? Answer. The weight limit for this bed is 250 pounds. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.